Mix 2 cups of wheat flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. And 50 grams of butter cut into very small cubes. Keep crushing the pieces of butter until it turns into a coarse crumb. Now add 1 egg and 40 ml of oil. And start adding water, little by little, until all the ingredients come together. You'll use about 3 tablespoons. Now, we wrap the dough and let it rest in the fridge. This dough needs to be really cold when baking, so you should leave it in the fridge for at least half an hour. But if you want, it can stay for up to 2 days. The secret to making a really crispy dough that turns out perfect is not to knead it too much. If you knead it, you'll develop the gluten and that will make the dough elastic. It won't be crispy, so just mix it together. I like to roll out the dough with a rolling pin and cover the bottom of the pan. Then I adjust it along the sides, and if there's a little piece missing, I fill it in. After the pan is covered, just poke it with a fork so it doesn't form bubbles and puff up. When it's time to bake, we put it in the oven, which is already preheated to 200 degrees until it gets nice and golden.